Today we're exploring 7 powerful AI websites that can save you hours, simplify your work, and help you stay ahead in 2026. These websites are beginner-friendly, free to start with, and designed to help you in your job, studies, content creation, and side projects. If you want AI to do more of the work for you, this list will be very helpful. Let's get started. First, Krea AI. Krea is an incredibly fast AI visual generator that turns your ideas into high-quality images within seconds. You simply type a short description, and Krea produces dozens of creative results in different styles. What makes Krea stand out is how quickly it gives inspiration. Creators use it for thumbnails, design ideas, storyboards, presentations, and even social media posts. If you've ever felt stuck trying to design something from scratch, Krea can help you start instantly and spark new ideas you wouldn't think of on your own. Second, Perplexity AI. Perplexity is one of the most accurate AI research assistants available. Instead of giving random answers, it scans the internet in real time and gives you clear explanations with trusted sources. You can ask it detailed questions, compare topics, or break down complex ideas. Students use Perplexity for homework, professionals use it for reports, and creators use it for quick research. If you want fast information that is reliable and easy to understand, Perplexity is one of the best AI websites to use in 2026. Third, Durable AI. Durable is an AI website builder that creates a complete website in under 1 minute. You describe your business or idea, and Durable automatically generates the layout, text, and images for you. This is incredibly useful for freelancers and small business owners who want a professional-looking website without paying a designer. You can edit the generated site later, but the hardest part, getting the structure and written content, is handled by AI. It's one of the fastest ways to launch an online presence. Fourth, Gamma App. Gamma is a simple AI tool for creating clean and modern presentations. Instead of dragging text boxes or adjusting layouts, you just describe what you need and Gamma builds the slides for you. It organizes your ideas into sections, headings, bullet points, and visuals. Students use it for school projects, teachers use it for lessons, and businesses use it for reports and pitch decks. Gamma makes presentation building much faster and eliminates the hassle of formatting slides. Fifth, 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers some of the most realistic AI voices available today. You can choose from many natural voices or generate your own unique voice style. This tool is widely used for YouTube videos, podcasts, training materials, and narration for online courses. If you want your content to sound professional without recording your own voice every time, 11 Labs is a great solution. It produces clear, high-quality audio in just a few seconds. Sixth, Glasp. Glasp is an AI-powered study and knowledge tool. It lets you highlight information from any website and automatically organizes those highlights into summaries. It's extremely helpful for people who read a lot of articles, research papers, or blogs. You can revisit your notes anytime and quickly refresh your memory. Glasp is perfect for students, researchers, and anyone who wants to learn more efficiently without losing track of important information. Seventh, Cleanup Pictures. Cleanup Pictures is an AI photo editing tool that removes unwanted objects, backgrounds, or marks from your photos. You brush over the area you want removed, and AI cleans it instantly. This is perfect for improving thumbnails, social media pictures, product photos, or travel images. Instead of learning complicated editing apps, Cleanup Pictures makes the process simple and quick for everyone. These 7 AI websites can save you time, reduce your workload, and help you accomplish more in 2026. Whether you're a student, a creator, or someone running a small business, these tools can make your daily tasks easier. If you enjoyed this video and want more helpful AI tools, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.